Hello dear Scorpio, welcome back to my channel. My channel's name is The Moksha Tarot and I am your host Astha Sharma. Today we are going to talk about April 3rd week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. So if you're looking for a monthly reading that's already uploaded on my channel, click on the video section and you will find your reading. Let's see, your cards are already out. Let's see what's happening in your love life first. You've got the Neophyte and the Three of Suns. First of all, I do see that you're very stressed about a particular situation. You're overthinking a lot, losing sleep, going into depression, not taking care of your health as well. You are worried that your partner might be moving on. So if that is the case, yes, I do see, and that's very unfortunately, your partner is moving into a new direction. I see a newness into your relationship, a new person they are seeing, or it could be that they are just moving on into a new direction. So that definitely this is not coming back to you. This is not a reconciliation that is happening right now. And if this is you, if you are planning and if you are, somewhere confused whether you should be going back to your ex or whether you should just move on and find a new partner or simply end this relationship, then yes, I do see you moving on. I don't see you going back to that toxic person again. I don't see any reconciliation for you. In fact, what I see is you moving into a new direction, better direction, right? That will bring you a lot of happiness as well. So I do see a newness in your energy. It can be that you have just started a new relationship and you're worried about that, so there's nothing to worry. It is a new relationship. It can feel scary at times, but it is not that scary, right? So there is a newness to your energy, something new you're doing. It can also be that it's a complete new perspective that you're seeing your partner in or your relationship is, right? So if you want to save your relationship, start seeing things in a different way, completely new way, because all everything that you have tried has failed, right? So why not see things from a different perspective, try new things so that you can work this out. Let's talk about your career now. You've got the Nine of Spades and the Ten of Suns. Well, the Nine of Spades here tells me that you're expecting a lot of success and money and abundance to come your way. But I hate to disappoint you that this week might not turn out to be the way you want it to be, which means I do see a heavy energy around you where you are sort of burdened, right? You're carrying some sort of burden. It could be that you are feeling overwhelmed with the kind of responsibilities that you have. It can be financial issues that you are, somebody who has to take care of their families, like a lot of weight on your shoulders. I also see that some sort of blame and criticism is coming your way. It could be that people are constantly criticizing you, that you're doing a shabby job, you're not doing a good job, that kind of situation. This week is actually going to bring you a lot of unhappiness, not the things that you imagine for yourself, which means you could be imagining a huge bonus that is not what is going to come your way. You might not get anything, or you might get peanuts. You might be expecting a promotion that might not happen at all, or that might happen but not the way you wanted it to be. So some sort of blame, criticism, heavy energy coming your way, somebody also treating you very badly. So cruelty is also a feeling that I get here, that people are being cruel to you, people are being mean to you, and people are sort of, not being nice to you. So be very, very careful in what and who you trust, because this week is the time where the more you talk to people, no matter what you are expecting, it's not going to turn out the way you do. So you have to maintain distance with people, and be prepared that people will try to pull your leg and pull you down in some way or the other. Yes, if you are worried about your relationship, it's also a little tense there as well, especially if your partner has moved on, especially if you are in no contact. If you can think and do things from a new perspective, different perspective, this week can go well for you. Otherwise, I do see this week is not your best week, Scorpio. So you have to be very, very careful and be prepared to, face the failures this week. Okay, if you'll be strong, if you're reading this, if you're listening to this video before that week, please, I mean, take this as a warning, take this as a prediction of what is to come, and prepare yourself accordingly. Also, please like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get the notifications and you're prepared in advance on what to do and what not to do in the coming week. This will really help you. If you resonated with this reading, all the more reasons, comment and let me know that this is exactly happening in your life. Lastly, if you are the ones who want to book a ritual with me, I do rituals as well, a blockage removal ritual or a manifestation ritual. This is the perfect time. Since full moon is happening, if you missed your ritual on the 12th and you're watching this on the 13th or the 14th, this is also perfect time. Start your ritual now because you might be able to harness the energies, the positive energies in the air right now and manifest things for you at a faster rate. Lastly, I have launched a new session which is called a spiritual guiding session, okay, where I will be guiding you spiritually, especially if you are going through a troubled time, you have no one to talk to, whether that's related to your love life, your spouse, your health, your children, your career, and you need a trusted person who can guide you, who can mentor you, who can listen to you, share your burdens with you. I will be that person for you. This spiritual guidance also comes with remedies which I will be taking with the help of your angels according to your situation. So please, if you think you are going through that situation and nobody to talk to or any friend or family is, do share this video with them so that they are aware and they can utilize this session as well. Very cheap, very minimal, depending upon your budget. You can book a 30-minute or a 1-minute call as well. And also lastly but not the least, I have launched different packages for you guys, which means I have a career package if you're interested in knowing everything about your career from past, present, future. Also love, relationship, situationship or marriage. If you're single, want to know when you're getting the partner, how you're getting the partner, that, and friendship packages as well, where you have just met someone and you want to be very careful with this person and want to know where this relationship or friendship is going. So all these four packages come with remedies as well, where if I feel that you are not in the place where you need to be and not attracting the right kind of career, or if there is any blockage, I will give you a remedy as well. So please guys, go ahead, make the bookings, share this video with anyone who needs such help. And also if you're looking for a very budgeted minimal one question reading, then that's available at rupees 170 rupees as well. Very cheap, very budgeted. Go ahead. And how do you have to book the reading or any session? You can email me on the given email ID, which is astasharma842@gmail.com, also mentioned in my bio, or you can just DM me on my Instagram channel, which is the Moksha Tarot. Guys, please also follow me on Instagram because I post all such details over there on a daily basis, like what ritual, when to do it, what not to do, what new discounts, what new services, what new packages have come, so that it helps you keep posted with all the developments on my channel. So go ahead, make the booking. I'll be waiting for you. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.